So let me show you how you can lend. We're gonna deposit the LST that we just minted. You go click here, supply. Let's put all of it. And we are going to max supply. All right. Okay. And all we need to do is to confirm the transaction. And then once we supply, we'll be able to see our collateral that is there, ready to be utilized for us to borrow against it. So it's creating our account because it's the initial deposit. So the first time it has to go through this process. It's a little bit more, it takes a bit more time, but usually it should be super, super quick. And we can see that the network fees in Sol are so cheap that they are almost free, less than a cent. So we are depositing right now. And there we go. Now the API for the LST, this 0.07, which is almost nothing, this is on top of the staking API. So it's not taking into consideration the actual API. And here is our position details. We are lending 0.02, which has a USD value of 2.48.